Hello, smart kids. Get your notebooks and pens ready and sit down in front of the screen. Today we will learn the letters M, N, O with you. Are you ready? Let's start.
Let's play! Let's drag the letters. Monkey, monkey. M, M. Good job. M, monkey, monkey. M, milk, milk. M. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Nice! M is for monkey. Let's write the letters. M, M. Great! Great! M, 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 M. Let's drag the letters. N. Nut, nut. N, N. Nice. N, nut, nut. N, nest, nest. N. Well done. Let's build the Nice! N is for nut. Let's write the letters. N, N. Great! Wow! N, 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 N. Let's drag the letters. O, octopus, octopus. O, O. Good job. O, octopus, octopus. O, orange, orange. O. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Smart. O is for orange. Let's write the letters. O, O. Smart. Great! O, 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 O. Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. M, 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 N, N, O, O, O. Well done. Which letter do you hear? N, N. Great! O, O. Good job. M, M. Nice. O, O. Well done. Choose the correct uppercase letter. M. Smart. O. Nice. N. Great. B. Smart. Well done. Find the similar letters. N. Good job. O. Nice. M. Good job. Well done. Which letter do you hear? O. O. Great! M. M. Good job. N. N. Nice. M. Try again. M. Well done. Drag letters and build the word. L. I. O. N. Lion. Well done. Find the missing letter. Nut. N. Nut. Milk. M. Milk. Orange. O. Orange. Iguana. I.
Smart kids. If you liked the video lesson, click like and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video lessons. You are very smart kids.